Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create an event for your notes in the Journal app. Just open the app and go to your notes. Here is one of the notes I have written. If you click on it, then a toolbar appears, and here you can find this hyperlink option. Click on it and choose event. And now you can create an event easily. Like here is the title, but of course you can edit it. You can choose the exact time frame and the exact date. Okay, set the color and everything else you need. After that, click on the check mark in the top right corner and you are finished. You can easily look at this event by clicking on the text or going to your calendar. So that's basically it. I hope it helps.